Good day guys, again nagbabalik po tayo para i-continue ang ating discussion about the tips with regards to sketching. So the next topic is vary your lines. Use varied lines, says illustrator Robin Kai. Not all lines are equals. So ibig sabihin lang nito, of course, mas magiging effective tingnan yung nating lines. So meron tayong lines of importance. So makikita naman natin sa pictures, they use thick lines and thin lines. So it said that hindi lahat ng lines ay equal. Meron tayong shifting ng width and darkness para dun sa lines natin. Binabago natin kung gaano ka-dark, gaano ka-kapal, gaano kaliit at kanipis or ka-light yung kulay ng ating lines. Gumagawa siya ng dynamic and visually interesting effect sa ating mga drawing. Mas interesting siyang tingnan rather than sa isang straight continuous line. Not straight, I mean continuous thickness and darkness lines. Mas interesting siyang tingnan yung lines na nag-vary kaysa dun sa mga lines na straightforward. So next is avoid smudging. Yung smudge po, pag nag-drawing tayo, syempre nagkakalat siya dahil dun sa kamay natin sa pagtuon dun sa mga parts na na-shade natin. We can avoid that by using a sheet of paper para proteksyonan yung ating mga drawings para hindi kumalat yung mga shaded at saka yung mga thick lines and shades dun sa ating drawings. Next, control your edges. So, artists can use different sketching techniques to define object edges. Thin, hard, lost, and undefined. Thin and hard edges give object solid borders. Thin and hard edges, yung makakapal or malinaw na edges. Lost edges occur when the object and background values start to blend together. So yung mga lines na akala natin ay hindi nagko-connect, pero actually it is the part kung saan yung background ay nagbe-blend tayo. So yung mga lines na napuputol sa around this corner, yan, they are actually blending together. So pwede nating mas lalong i-imply yung lines. So it's called implied rather than defined. So remember lang na undefined edges needs to be deciphered by the viewer themselves. Yun yung part na nag-iisip sila kung yun yung nagbibigay ng interest. Like itong part na to. Yan, lost edges. Bibigay ng interest when looking at the drawing. See? Yan. Another, use a blending stick for smooth shading. So wag basta lang lapis. Of course, meron tayong applicable materials and equipments para gamitin for your shading. So yes, let's use a blending stick for smooth shading. Apply the 70 and 30 rule. So simple lang po ito when drawing. Para ka lang nagbibigay ng direction dun sa art. So here, the 70 and 30 rule helps you create effective composition. The idea is that 30% of your sketch is filled with the main focus. This is the 30%. It is highly defined, with harder points, harder drawings, and darker shades. While the 70% ay filler lang, yung less important parts. Of course, we are trying to define the horn and the face of our subject here. So that 70%, since hindi siya ganun ka-defined, you will be forced na tumingin doon sa 30% na yon kung saan naka-emphasize yung drawing and yung lines. So that's the 70 and 30%. 30% defined, 70% filler, makes viewer be directed papunta doon sa part na yon kung saan siya defined at harder ang points. Otherwise, titingnan mo siya as a whole object na parang kulang sa dynamics. Okay, for our next tips para dito sa ating sketching will be for next time. So see you again.